Hello and welcome. In this problem, it's given that a cookie releases 370 calories of heat when burnt. We have to find the heating value, heat release, if we burn 1 kilogram of cookie. Heating value is a standard thermodynamic property for different kind of fuel. For instance, gasoline has a heating value of 44 million joules per kg. So let's see how much we get out of burning cookies instead of gasoline. It's quite a simple problem. So we need to translate calories. There are so many kind of calorie. 1 calorie equals how many kilojoules? Kilojoules is the SI units, as you know. And of course, gram to kilogram is very simple. So let's go first. I've already logged in test. So we'll go to the unit converter from the TESTapps page. And the left tab brings up the app. And to search for calorie, of course, it's a unit of energy. We could just go browse down different measures and pick energy, or we could search for calorie directly. CAL, calorie. So energy or heat, we can take either. So notice there are so many different units of energy. At the top is the SI units, at the bottom is the English unit, standard English, BTU. So calorie would be somewhere closer to the SI units. So if you keep going down, you find so many sorts of calories. And notice then some calories begins with capital C. That's what we are after. That's the US calorie, biocalorie or large calorie. Actually, it is 1,000, it's 1,000 small cal. In other words, 1 cal is 1 kilocalorie. Okay, so to convert it to kilojoules, we see the result up there, 4.184. So let's write that down. Okay. Now that we know how much heat is released in terms of kilojoules, that'll be this multiplied by 370. So instead of using a regular calculator, we can use the DeskCal, because then we can do all sorts of things. So here's another tab of test where we now launch DeskCal. So what are given in this problem? Mass of the cookie in gram is given to us as 85 gram. And the heat release, let's call it heat release, HR, in calorie is how much? 370. See, as I hit the enter button, the variables are red and is displayed here in the bottom window. So we can also write comments if you want, if starting with the hashtag. For instance, here we can write, now the calculation starts. Those are the given quantities. So for instance, so the mass in kg of the cookie is how much? Mass in gram divided by 1,000. And heat release in kilojoules is heat release in calorie divided by, we already converted 1 kilocalories, 370, 1 kilocalorie is 4.184 kilojoule. We have to multiply, obviously, 4.184 kilojoule. So therefore, the heating value, which is the how much heat will be released by 1 kilogram in kilojoule, is heat release in kilojoule divided by mass in kg. And let's see if it's calculated. Yes, if I made a mistake, it would have been flagged here. So heating value in million joule per kg equals heating value in kilojoule per kg divided by 1,000. It's not calculated because the variable is per kg is not found, so I better change the name of the variable per kg. And let's see if now it updates. Yep. Now you can see the heating value in million joule per kg is found to be 18.2. And the nice thing is that you can now go back and change any variable and click the calculate button and redo the solution for different kind of what if scenarios.